Alright, so welcome back to another video. This one's going to be really different from all the others. Pause it a little bit. So, what we're going to do today is we're going to try to fix up this. Now, I don't exactly know what kind of plane this is, or what kind of company made this die-cast version. So we're gonna do it. My friend Rox HQ. I don't say your real name. So he gave me this plane a while ago. He said he doesn't know where it came from. He found it like this. Somebody tried to sand all the paint off of it and didn't get all of it. So we still have what remains of the original paint. So we're going to start with the yellow paint. So before we get anything with that, I'm actually going to use tape. I'm using clear tape to get everything that won't be painted yellow and make sure that we won't be able to paint it until we're done with yellow. So we're going to do that to everything right here. And I guess we're just going to do that. So, let's get that done. So, now that we're done with that, I'm going to start applying the paint to it. So, the paint I'm going to be using today will be some acrylic paint. So, I got the Folk Art paint, wicker white acrylic paint, along with same company, Daffodil yellow acrylic paint. We're going to be using these two, and I've never actually painted anything, so we don't know how it's going to end up, but whatever way, I will be proud. So let's get started.